Welcome back to another video. As you know, I have been reworking my whole battle station, my video editing desk, my streaming setup. And if you don't know, well, it's probably because you haven't subscribed and hit the bell button and all that good stuff. So today I'm going to finish the job and install this right. And I'm going to see if I can run a wire through all the way here. This wing should have the wire going inside when I'm done today, and the microphone should be working and nothing should be exploding. So if all goes well. Now I have already drilled the hole, and now we need to get the wire through this thing, and this needs to of course go into the hole. And yeah, this should be awesome. Quite nerve-wracking drilling a hole into your table, and this is solid wood, so it's hard to redo or undo. So yeah. So first step will be taking this apart. This is not that hard to disassemble. Unscrew this. Right. Important part is remember to solder this back the right way. Can we remember that? You must help me remember. And back into action, my dad's old soldering iron. It is. It was just slightly longer than expected. Ouch! Don't heat up my finger, dude. That's bad, okay? Overkill is underrated. There we go. Look at how mangled that insulation there. That's pro work margin. There we go. I have removed the microphone for just a sec. What these cable ties, I can use them elsewhere. We need to take it in the right order. This one should be next. And this is, you know, where you forget something, always forget something, and you need to start over. So let's try not to do that. In through here. Can you get a good view of that in there? Not really. So I wonder this thing here. So that's the first part. I fear that might be the easiest, so now we need to get it all the way up through there. I'm not going to say this isn't too hard until we're done. Yeah, so my first tip would be just to get rid of these, and then it would probably be easier to thread it through. So I'm going to continue, and the next one up is famous last words, easier. Or is it? Ah, come on, man. Ah. And now we just need it to unfold into my face. Right, so yeah. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, that one went easy. Okay, cool. Whoop. Is this long enough? Barely. I need a little more. There we go. Here we go. And then what do? We put it down through here, and then back on the microphone. Working backwards. This one. This one goes on last. This one we can easier put on. So burning my fingers once again. We have to suffer for the art, I suppose. Out, 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 out. Did I forget? I feel like I forgot something. I feel like there's something I completely forgot. And I cannot for the life of me remember what it is. I'm going to nip that just a bit. Because, yeah, that's what we're going to do. More paint incoming. And you actually got a better view of this than I have, so I've got a feeling this doesn't look too good. This needs to fit into those tiny slots there, so let's see. Okay. Ooh, I like this already. And this is a mess. This is a tray of cables I have made installed under my desk here, and it's a mess. And that's okay because, well, at least for now, because I hope I'm not going to have to do too much stuff under here. And probably can't see it. It's just right up here. I think if I'm going to rearrange my wires too often down here, I will have to put them in more order than this. And I can't do this one-handed. Be right back. What do we call this in English? In Danish it would be a parrot grip. Close because it looks like a beak. It's getting closer. Ooh, that is very satisfying, eh? How about that? Awesome! I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. So, now it's time to figure out if it worked or everything explodes up into my face. So, well, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, have fun on the interwebs. Cheers.